Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore some beautiful hand embroidery designs that are easy to create and perfect for beginners as well as experienced embroidery lovers. Hand embroidery is a wonderful hobby. It helps you relax, improves your creativity and lets you make beautiful design with just a needle, thread and fabric. There are many types of embroidery designs. Floral patterns are always popular because flowers never go out of style. You can stitch lovely roses, daisies, tulips, sunflowers or tiny white flowers in bright colors to decorate your clothes and home items. Leaf patterns are another beautiful choice. Green leaves mixed with colorful flowers create a fresh and natural look. You can use different shades of green to make your embroidery look more realistic. Simple borders are also very useful. You can decorate handkerchiefs, pillow covers, table runners, napkins and dresses with elegant border designs. Even a small border can completely change the look of plain fabric. Animal and bird designs are becoming more popular too. Cute butterflies, birds, bees and small animals add a fun and cheerful touch to your embroidery projects. Choosing the right colors is very important. Soft pastel colors create a gentle look while bright colors make the design stand out. You can also combine light and dark shades to help depth and beauty. If you are new to embroidery, start with simple stitches. Practice the running stitch, back stitch, seam stitch, satin stitch and lazy daisy stitch. These basic stitches can create many beautiful designs. Take your time while stitching. There is no need to rush. Slow and cheerful work gives better results and makes your embroidery look neat. Embroidery is also a wonderful way to make handmade gifts. You can decorate baby clothes, tote bags, cushion covers, bookmarks or wall hanging for family and friends. Handmade gifts for family and friends are always special because they are made with love. Keep your fabric clean and your stitches even. Good lighting also help you work comfortably and avoid mistakes. Most importantly, enjoy the creative process. Every stitch brings you design to life and every product helps you improve your skills. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy these hand embroidery ideas, please like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.